What's up, y'all? It's Nasia from All Things Nasia, and I'm back with another video.
Like him too, he my man, he my boo, he my type, he's so cute. I want him and I want him too. I like.
Hey guys, so if you're new here, I make videos about the Cricut machine. I show people how to use their Cricut machine when it pertains to making clothes. Now, I have been getting some frequently asked questions, so in today's video, I'm going to be answering some of you guys' frequently asked questions because I don't want you guys to feel like I'm just ignoring your comments. I am actually recording some of the questions that I get over and over, so that I can answer them in one video, so that when people continue to ask these same questions, I can just revert them back to this video. Now, I've been getting a lot of the same questions about the different machines that I use, some of the processes that I do, and even like some of the things that I make. So I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't leaving anybody in the dark about certain questions. And if you have more frequently asked questions after this video is over, you can just comment them down below as something that I can do to answer. So I'm going to be answering you guys' questions right now. Let's go. One of the questions that I have been getting over and over, not even just in the comment section, but some of you guys have been inboxing me or DMing me on Instagram, and it is about my heat press. People want to know, where did I get my heat press from and what kind of heat press do I have exactly? I'm going to put a screenshot right here of the exact heat press that I use because it was bought in 2019, early 2019. And to be honest, my husband and his brother bought it. I didn't buy it, so I didn't know exactly what to tell you guys as far as what kind of heat press it is. So I'm going to leave the screenshot right here so you guys can know exactly where to purchase it. And it is on sale right now. So if you guys want to go ahead and purchase that, that is great. So this is the kind of heat press that I use. Another frequently asked question that I get is, what kind of vinyl do I think is the best? Now, while I do use Cricut vinyl in my videos, that is not my favorite vinyl to use. I have not really explored many types of vinyl. I know there is a lot of vinyl shops on the internet that you can actually buy different sheets from, where you don't have to just commit to one roll. You can buy literally 12 by 12 sheets or 12 by 18 sheets, which is cool, but I have not used any of those yet. So what I have used is Cricut vinyl, of course, and my favorite vinyl is this. So this is my favorite type of vinyl, and this is just, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but it's the Sizer Easy Weed Stretch ATV. So this is my favorite heat transfer vinyl. I feel as if it applies effortlessly. You don't have to do a lot in order to make it stick. That's what I hate about certain vinyls, is that when you're trying to make it stick to your project, it'll come up, your project will be ruined. And at the end of the day, I have not tried removing vinyl from any garments, but I know that it's possible via some of the craft groups that I'm in, but I don't want to have to go through that. So I do like to use the Sizer Easy Weed Stretch ATV. That's my favorite vinyl to use. It is on the expensive side, but it is worth it when you are making projects that you want to last for a long time. So Sizer HTV is definitely the way to go in my book. What type of laptop am I using? I am using the HP NV360. Now, I did get this laptop about a few months ago, not even a few months ago, but I got it around March. Here's a little disclaimer. There is a pesky fly in my studio right now, and it is bothering me to my core, but I can't catch it. So you will see him making his own little, entrances into this video. But back to what I was saying. I got the HP NV360 from Best Buy back in March, and it was a pretty penny. I think I paid about $800, $900, and it's just because I had a different HP that I had for literally years. I got that first HP when I went into college, and that was 2016, and it's 2021. We cannot have the same laptop it just wasn't working for me. So yeah, I got the HP Envy 360. Now, do you need the HP Envy 360 to use a Cricut? No, you do not. Please do not believe that you need an expensive laptop in order to run Cricut Design Space. You do not. You can use any laptop that is up to date, or you can use your phone, or you can use an iPad. You do not need to use the exact same equipment that I use in order to get the exact same projects that I have. You do not need that. You do not need what I have. I get this question so many times, and I don't want to discourage anybody, because you don't need what I have in order to do what you need to do with Cricut Design Space. So that is just what I use. You do not have to use it. What printer do I use? I use the HP Envy Photo 7155. That is the printer that I have at the moment. Is this the printer that I want to use forever? No. I do want to end up getting a sublimation printer. I do think that would be a new thing to add to my channel, but I do not have it yet. It is very expensive. But that is what I have right now, and it works fine for my projects. So, do you need this printer to use the Cricut? No, you do not. If you are trying to do print and cut and all you have is a $40 printer, my most blown up popular video, I used a $34 printer from Walmart. It was cheap. Do I remember the exact name? No, but it was a white Canon printer, and it was around $30 to $40. Go look that up. But that's what I was using, and it was fine for my projects. Was I selling the projects that I was doing? I don't think I was selling the print and cut projects that I was using at that point, because I just wasn't, but it worked fine for me. When I washed it in cold water inside out, and it stuck. Nothing happened. Like, it worked. Please do not think that you need thousands and thousands of dollars in order to craft. You do not. Crafting is all about creativity and making what you have work for you. So go out and buy you the $30 to $40 printer, or go buy you a $500 printer. Either way, it's going to get the job done. Will the quality be a little better if you had the $500 printer? Of course. That just makes sense. The quality will be better the more money you spend, but do you absolutely need it? No, you do not. That is my answer. Am I offering one-on-one Cricut classes? I am not offering one-on-one Cricut classes at the moment, because I just don't really know how that would work unless it was like a Zoom kind of thing right now. We are being told to stay home due to the pandemic, so I don't really think that would work with a lot of people. And then, not to mention, we don't live in the same state, a lot of people. And am I going to travel for those types of things? No, I'm not. But I'm trying to put as much feed out there as I can about my Cricut. Be mindful, guys, that I am learning right along with you. Am I a professional? No, I'm not. And I think that's why my channel is doing how it is, because I want you guys to see my mistakes also. I want you guys to see that I am not perfect in what I am doing. I am just trying to perfect what I am doing. So that is the answer on the one-on-one classes. I am sorry, I am not offering them at this time. Is that something that I could probably do in the future? I will definitely look into it. So I will let you guys know if I ever come across anything like that in the future. I got this question a few times, and I'm just going to answer it right now. Can you cut paper using the Cricut? The answer is absolutely. You can do scrapbooking. You can do all types of paper projects using the Cricut. Can you apply that paper to a garment? No, you cannot, unless it is transfer paper, as far as like what I use for print then cut. Transfer paper can be applied to a garment and used to make whatever you want to make as far as putting that image on the garment. But regular paper, no, you cannot apply that to a shirt. Now, when people use paper projects using the different Cricut machines, they are usually doing card making or scrapbooking or stuff like that. That's what they are into. Yes, you can do those types of projects. There are thousands and thousands of YouTube videos that show you how to cut paper and cardstock and stuff like that using the Cricut. I do not do that a lot. I have done it, of course, because I was making like different things for my baby shower, and I used a lot of cardstock in order to make centerpieces. But can you use them to make shirts? No, you can't. But can you use paper in the Cricut? Absolutely, you can. Do you have to use Cricut products in order to use the Cricut? No, 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 no. Please do not believe. Again, this is another thing about the money. Don't think that you have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars in order to craft. There are so many Amazon shops that sell different types of Cricut utensils that can coincide with your Cricut. You do not have to spend all the money that Cricut makes you spend on their products. Am I down talking Cricut's prices? No, I'm not. I just don't think that you have to spend that much money in order to craft. There are a lot of different Amazon shops that sell the tools for the Cricut, as far as like the weeding tools. There's a lot of different Amazon shops that even sell the mats for Cricut. And also you can buy the vinyl off of Amazon too. Get to looking on Amazon and see what prices work best for you as far as buying the different things that you need for Cricut. But you can definitely get yourself up and running using the Cricut just by going on Amazon and purchasing even the cheapest of tools and seeing how they work for you. I've gotten this question a few times as far as my last infusible ink videos. Using infusible ink, you do not need a printer. Using infusible ink, you do not need a printer. All you need for infusible ink is one of these. This is one of the ones that I have, and this is a Cricut infusible ink transfer sheet box. This comes with 2 transfer sheets and 2 carrier sheets inside of here. That is all you need, aside from the regular tools that you would use as far as like the mat and the Cricut and your computer. All you need is this box. You do not need anything else. You don't need to print anything out. You would just do exactly what you would do in Cricut Design Space, and I did show you guys how to do that in one of my previous videos. You just do and create your design, and then you have it cut it out on the transfer sheet and press it down using your heat press or whatever you are using to press it down. You don't need a printer. Now, this question is one that I get a lot pertaining to the print and cut process that I do, and it is what kind of transfer sheets do I use? And I do use these types of transfer sheets. Now, this is the Taylor dark t-shirt transfer sheets, and I use these even if I am using a white shirt. That is a trick that I have learned from one of my friends who used the Cricut often, and she just told me it looks better. It creates a more pigmented picture for you to iron onto a shirt. So no matter if I'm using a white shirt, a pink shirt, a green shirt, a brown shirt, a black shirt, I am going to be using this type of transfer sheet. Now, if you all are crafters and you found that there are better transfer sheets than the ones that I use, I just purchased these from Michael's. I don't really go on Amazon and see if there's a better rated transfer sheet to use, but I'm open to trying new things. So if you guys have any recommendations for any types of tools that I can be using, or any types of different things for the Cricut that I could try out, you can always just comment your recommendations below, and I will do videos for you guys that are like that. Now, that's it for the frequently asked questions that I have been getting, but I did mention that I will be doing a giveaway soon. I have not gotten that giveaway together exactly. All that I have gotten is that I know I want to do 3 winners for the next giveaway. I don't know exactly what I want to give away. Probably some vinyl, maybe a few, tools. I don't exactly know, but I do know I want it to be a bigger giveaway as far as how many people I give it to. I feel like a lot of you guys have been supporting me, so I want to give you a few more chances to be able to win rather just doing one winner again. But I will be letting you guys know exactly when I'm going to be doing that. In the meantime, I would like you guys to comment some of the video suggestions that you have for me below. I am kind of running out of a few things that I could do. I know there's a lot of things that I could cover using the Cricut, but I want you guys to tell me what you want to see. I've seen a lot of people say, I want you to show me start to finish how to do the process, but I have done that in a few of my videos. I will do another basic vinyl video for you guys. The last one that I recorded, I'm just not the happiest with it, so I will be redoing that video. So if you see another basic vinyl video, and it's because I want people to have full understanding of what I'm doing. But I do not want to be sitting here rambling with you guys, So thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting me. And I will be back with another video actually very, very soon because I am about to record one right now. But in the meantime, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I hope you learned something. I hope I answered some of your questions in this video. Always remember to stay beautiful and stay blessed and have a great day. Bye, guys.